Hi, it's Denise, My Real Estate, and I've got this beautiful one bedroom, one bathroom, over 661 square feet here in New Westminster Quay. It's located on the 12th floor here at 14 Begbie, Interurban, and it's got absolutely amazing views from all three rooms. I can't wait to give you a tour. This is a central location that is steps to transit, the Quay boardwalk, restaurants, schools, even Douglas College. Welcome home to this beautiful one-bedroom unit. This is absolutely gorgeous. You come on in, zero wasted square footage. You've got this open concept kitchen. You've got stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, and I absolutely love the granite. You've got double mount under sink, and I love the two-tone cabinetry. You've got white on top with the dark at the bottom that really accentuates the kitchen while you're cooking here and enjoying your beautiful water view. There's elegant bathroom features, granite countertops as well with undermount sink and European-style cabinetry that match the kitchen. The owners completely renovated this unit. You've got brand new laminate flooring, fresh coat of paints, also a new kitchen faucet. But what's amazing is everything right behind me. This view is absolutely priceless with an amazing deck. There's direct access to highways which allows for an easy commute to surrounding areas such as Richmond, Ladner, and Surrey. What's great about this unit is all this storage, and I've never seen a one-bedroom unit with this much square footage in a washer and dryer unit. Here is your master bedroom. Look at this view right behind me. Floor-to-ceiling windows. You're facing northeast, an absolutely gorgeous view. You've got the mountains. Imagine waking up to beautiful sunshine in your room. Plus, look at this large walk-in closet. This is made for any queen for all her clothes. And wow, this is the multi-million-dollar view right behind me. This is what you've been waiting for. Imagine enjoying a beverage out here in your beautiful deck in the summer and enjoying this beautiful northeast corner view. If you want to see this unit, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set one up for you.